Hi, it's Kim Zoller with ID 360, and welcome to Wednesday's Wirings. So, this weekend I was talking to a friend and telling them that I felt so lethargic and because I had been eating pizza and bread and all this other stuff. And he said to me, "So, what are you going to do to be kind to yourself this week?" And I was so taken back because I thought, wow, isn't that a different way to look at it? That I know what makes me feel good. So what am I going to do for myself to be kind? And it's just so interesting because I woke up yesterday morning and on the Calm app, it was all about being kind and compassionate to ourselves. And just really that if we are not kind and compassionate to ourselves, then we are missing out on so much. And the interesting thing about it is that the whole universe is so aligned that yesterday in Harvard Business Review, it was also about self compassion. So I want to ask you for yourself, what are you doing for yourself to be kind? How can we stop criticizing ourselves or expecting more of ourselves and realizing that we are in this place learning what we need to learn right now? Have the very best day and think about something that you can do to be kind to yourself.